Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove email from iMessage and FaceTime settings. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to remove your email from your iMessage or your FaceTime settings, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. So open your general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. Once updated your software, just go back from here and just go to the apps section, and you just have to look for FaceTime or message apps here. So let's say I'm gonna search FaceTime from here. Now just scroll down. Now under the FaceTime setting, you might see that you can be reached by FaceTime ad and you'll get your mail here. So you just have to tap on your email. There's a Apple ID, or here you might be email option here. So you just have to tap on that and then select sign out, and your email will be signed out. So once you have signed out, you can remove it from here. So you can repeat this same method for your message app. Just look for the messages app here, select that, and here you can see I have already signed out using that option. So in this way, you can easily remove your email from your iMessage or your FaceTime settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.